Exhaust sounds great. Definitely doesn't, like you're expecting something different now, but it sounds totally different than a regular Hellcat.
Right? I thought, to be honest with you, the turbos would make it a lot more quiet.
Yeah.
But no, it actually still sounds pretty loud.
Yeah. It's very odd that there's no, you know, the Hellcat whine. There's no whine to it,
yeah,
right?
I'm like,
I know.
you know.
That's cool.
But yeah, that's actually it.
Anything else that you've done to it, or is that pretty much it?
For now, then the wheels are gonna come in. We got some weld wheels.
Weld wheels, lightweight, yeah.
Yeah, V-locks in the back. And I think